Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus Class 12 Physics, Chapter 1 Electrostatics, Book Back MCQs. This is the part 5 of this video series. In this video, we are going to solve the fifth question. Come on, let us continue with our studies. 4 Gaussian surfaces are given below with charges inside each Gaussian surface. Rank the electric flux through each Gaussian surface in increasing order. Here comes the diagram. Here, have a closer look at this diagram. Here you can see 4 Gaussian surfaces. The largest one, which is nothing but capital A, and here comes another Gaussian surface which is named as B, and here comes another Gaussian surface which is named as C, and at last here is the smallest one which is named as D. So what are we supposed to do is, we are supposed to find out the electric flux in each and every Gaussian surfaces. Then we are supposed to arrange the letters A, B, C and D in the increasing order of their electric flux. That's what is asked in this question. So when we consider this Gaussian surface A, how many charges are present within? This plus 2Q, this plus Q and minus Q. All are lying within this A. Then what about the Gaussian surface B? In this Gaussian surface, these 2 charges come. That is plus 2Q and minus Q. Then what about the Gaussian surface C? In this Gaussian surface C, this plus Q and this minus Q come. Then what about the Gaussian surface D? In this Gaussian surface D, only one charge, that is minus Q, is left. So accordingly, we need to calculate the electric flux, then rearrange them in the increasing order of their electric fluxes. Here, the options are given. Option A, D is smaller than C, C is smaller than B, B is smaller than A. Option B, A is smaller than B, which is equal to C is smaller than D. Option C, C is smaller than A is equal to B is smaller than D. Option D, D is greater than C, C is greater than B and B is greater than A. Now let us find out answer. Here, to solve this sum, we need to use Gauss law. We all know pretty well, Gauss law is nothing but pi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Here, epsilon naught is a constant. So, let us take this is equal to symbol and this constant, and it will become like this. Therefore, this electric flux pi depends only on what? Charge Q. So, pi is directly proportional to Q. Okay. So, here only charges are given. First, let us find out the magnitude of charges and which is directly proportional to the electric flux. So in the Gaussian surface A, what and all charges are there? Plus 2Q, then plus Q, then minus Q. So let us sum them up. While summing them, this plus Q and this minus Q will get cancelled. So finally we are left out with plus 2Q. So in the Gaussian surface A, what is the charge? Plus 2Q. In Gaussian surface B, plus 2Q and minus Q are there. So plus 2Q minus Q. 2Q minus Q is equal to Q, that is plus Q. In the Gaussian surface C, plus Q and minus Q are there. So Q and Q, plus Q and minus Q get cancelled. So which is equal to 0. That means in the Gaussian surface C, there will be no charge at all. It is 0. What about Gaussian surface D? Only minus Q is left out. That's what we have seen in the diagram. Now we need to arrange these numbers, these charges, plus 2Q, plus Q, 0 and minus Q in what? In ascending order. That's what I have written over here. minus q, minus integer, then comes 0, then plus q, positive integer, then plus 2q. Minus q, 0, plus q, then plus 2q. So these are written in the ascending order. So minus q belongs to what? D. So let me write D. In the place of 0, C. In the place of plus q, B. In the place of 2q, A. So this is the ascending order. That is, C is greater than D, and B is greater than C, and A is greater than B. So answer is option A here. C is greater than D, B is greater than C, and A is greater than B. So answer is option A. So with this video has come to an end. Let us continue with our studies with another question in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.